Have you ever wondered how architects design towering skyscrapers or how navigators traverse the vast oceans? Well, the answer lies in a branch of mathematics that you may have encountered in high school: trigonometry. Trigonometry, despite its seemingly alien name, is a concept that we encounter daily. The term trigonometry originates from two Greek words: trigonon, meaning triangle, and metron, meaning measure. So in essence, trigonometry is the study of triangles and the relationships between their sides and angles. Consider a simple example: a ladder leaning against a wall. If you know the angle at which the ladder leans and the length of the ladder, you can calculate the ladder's height from the ground. This is a basic application of trigonometry, where we use the sine of the angle to find the height. In a right-angled triangle, the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. The side adjacent to the angle in question is the adjacent side, and the side opposite the angle is the opposite side. The sine of an angle, abbreviated as sin, is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Thus, in our ladder example, the height of the ladder from the ground is the product of the length of the ladder and the sine of the angle. Trigonometry extends beyond right-angled triangles too. It explores relationships between the sides and angles of all types of triangles. It also delves into the circular functions of sine, cosine, and tangent, which are essential in studying wave patterns and circular motion. A fascinating application of trigonometry is in the field of music. Sound travels in waves, and these waves can be represented graphically using sine and cosine functions. Musicians and sound engineers use this knowledge to manipulate sound waves and create different effects in the music we enjoy. In navigation, trigonometry is indispensable. Navigators use it to find their position relative to known locations by measuring angles using the horizon or stars. Similarly, game developers use trigonometry for creating realistic movements and trajectories in video games. In summary, trigonometry is the study of triangles, particularly the relationships between their sides and angles. It's used in everyday situations like calculating the height of a ladder leaning against a wall. It extends to more complex scenarios too, such as navigating the ocean or creating music in video games. The sine, cosine, and tangent functions form the backbone of trigonometry, helping us understand and navigate the world around us in more ways than we often realize. So, the next time you listen to your favorite song, play a video game, or gaze at a towering skyscraper, remember the silent role of trigonometry. It's not just an abstract concept confined to the classroom, but a practical tool that shapes our world, one triangle at a time.